Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Explore. In this tutorial, we are going to assemble inline 3 engine. So let's start. From File, select New, then select Assemble, then click OK. Select I3 crankshaft, then select Open. Place the crankshaft at the middle. Right-click over the body and select Float. Right-click over right plane and select Normal to. Select Layout and select Center Line. Draw a vertical and horizontal center line connecting the origin point. Now exit the sketch. Now go to Assemble and select Mate. Select this cylindrical profile and this line. Select Concentric, then click OK. Now select this surface and this vertical center line. Select Coincident and click OK. Now this part can be rotated freely. Right click over right plane and select Normal to. Right click again and select Sketch. Now select Center Line. Put the cursor over this edge and middle point will be shown. Draw a vertical line crossing the middle point till to the previous horizontal line. Similarly, create two more vertical center line. Click on Insert Component and select first 7 components. Click on Open. Now click the parts where you want to put it. Now press Ctrl and expand the piston. Select the front plane of the piston. Expand piston pin and select the front plane of the piston pin. Now click on Mate. Select Coincident and click OK. Select this surface and this surface. Then select Concentric, then click OK. Select this surface of compression ring and this surface of the piston. Then select concentric. Now select this surface and this surface. Select coincident. Now expert insert component and select copy with mates. Select the compression ring, then go to next. Select the cylindrical surface and then select the upper surface. Then click OK. Now select the cylindrical surface of the weld ring and the cylindrical pocket of the piston. Then select mate. Lower the piston. Then select this surface and this surface. Then click OK. Now select copy with mates and select the weld ring. Go to next. Select the cylindrical pocket and then select the lower surface of the pocket. Then click OK. Now select the circumferential surface of the expander and select the lower cylindrical pocket of the piston and click on mate. Select concentric, then click OK. Now lower the piston and select this edge of the expander and this surface of the weld ring. Then select coincident and click OK. Now press Ctrl and select the front plane of the piston. Expand connecting rod and pressing the Ctrl, select the front plane of the connecting rod. Then select Mate. Select Coincident and click OK. Select this surface of the connecting rod and the outer surface of the piston pin. Then select Coincentric. Then click OK. Select this surface of the connecting rod part and click on Move with Triode. Then rotate this part. Press Ctrl and select this surface and this surface. Then click on Mate. Select Coincident. Then click OK. Select this hole and select this hole. Then select Coincident. Then click OK. Repeat same process for this side also. Then click OK. Select this surface and this surface. Select concentric. Then click OK. Now go to Advanced Mate and click on Width. Now select this surface and this surface and select this surface and this surface. So the connecting rod will be located in the middle of the crank faces. Then click OK. Now expand standard mate. Now select the cylindrical surface of the piston and click on the vertical center line that we created before. And click on concentric. Then click OK. Now rotate the crankshaft and you can see the piston is moving in reciprocating motion. Now we have to fix the compression rings and welding. Now these two gaps will be located at 180 degrees of each other. And the welding gap will be located at 90 degrees from the compression ring gap. Now the rotation of the rings should be stopped. So go to mates and expand the mate. If you put the cursor over concentric, then it will show the relevant part with a different color. Right click over the concentric, then select it. Here select lock rotation, then click OK. Similarly, we need to lock all of the rotation of the rings. Now see, the rotation is locked. Expand insert component and select copy with mates. Select all of these parts that we want to copy. Every selected part will be shown with blue color. Then click on next. Now at first it is asking about the concentric relation, which is shown with different color. So we have to select the relevant concentric. So select this surface. Now it is asking about width, which is shown with different color. So select these two surfaces as this is relevant. Now it is asking about the final concentric, which is the center line. Now select this center line. Now this is unfortunately in opposite direction, so we have to change the direction. Drag the piston and put it in the proper direction, so SolidWorks AI have easy to understand in which direction we want this. And now select the vertical center line again. It is in opposite direction. Here change the direction. Now it is okay. Then click OK. Always try to rotate the crankshaft in proper direction so you can avoid this type of scenario. Now repeat the process for final piston. Now rotate the crankshaft and check it. Now go to file and save it.